Hey everyone, this is the APA Assistant. I'm going to show you the basic setup to reference a website in your research report. So again, this is based on the APA 6th edition, referencing a website. First, we list the author's name. Then, instead of listing just the year, we list the year, the month, and the day on which the article was published on the website. And I use article pretty loosely. It may be commentary, it may be just an entry into the website. We then move on to listing the title. Same title caps as you would any other type of source, and we italicize just the same. After that, we list the exact address where we can find this particular entry or this particular website. It allows the readers to quickly reference your work, to find the data for themselves, make their own decisions. I hope this was helpful. I will say sometimes it's hard to find the date, and oftentimes you'll have to list ND for no date where the website goes. It's a lowercase n period, no space d period, in the same parentheses where I have my date here. If this was helpful, subscribe, share, click some button with a bell on it everybody's talking about, and good luck with your writing.